Hi guys, it's me again, Mr. Deep Thought, and today I'm going to explain you this project 3 of the course CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. So this here is a website of the name auctions, and it's a platform where people can sell their product to the means of auction. Now let's get started and start looking at the features of this website. So first we have the create listing or feature where we can create add description, title, and categories to which our listing belongs to. I will start by adding the category of this new listing that I am creating currently. So the title is going to be Nintendo Game Boy. The description, the start price is going to be $500. Let's put the image URL. And now let's create it. So on creating this listing, it should be visible here on the active listings page. And if I move down, I can see that this new listing that I had just now created has been updated on this active listings page. The active listings page here is a page where all the currently active listings from all the users all over on this website are displayed here. So if I click on any of this listing here, let's say this flamingo goggles here, I can see that it has redirected me to a page which is which belongs to this particular listing. It gives me some details regarding that object associated with the listing. Now let's try to place a bid on this object, but let's just start with an error. Let's say if I place a bid which is less than the current price, I get an error which explains to me that I have to place a bid that has to be greater than the current price. Here the current price is $200, so let's go with $250 as the current bid price. Yeah, so if I use $250 as my bid, it has been successfully placed. Now if I scroll down, I can see that there's a comment section available here. Currently there are no comments, so yeah, let's start by adding a comment here. So if I post this comment, I can see that this comment has been posted here on this listing, and it has been updated on this listing page itself. Now let's add this particular listing to my watch list as well. Well, if I click on this watch list button here, I can see that the particular listing has been added to my watch list here, and I can also remove the products from my watch list as well by clicking on this remove button. But now let's log in from the account that has posted this listing itself, and that account is this. Yeah, so this is the user that has posted this particular listing here, and I have got the option of closing this bid at this moment. And if I close it, I can see that the listing has closed and the listing has won. This listing has been won by a user named Elon Musk for a winning bid price of $250. Now let's go back to the let's go and log in from the account who has won this bid, and if I go to my watch list, and yeah, so here it is, and I can see that I am the winner of this particular listing, and I can also see the comments here, and that's about it. Now let's see. Now, as I've already told you what the watch list option here does, it's a list of all those items that I want to track of. So you can add any of these active listings or inactive listings if they have already been closed. Uh, uh, and the way of doing that is by just going on any listing page and just click on this watch list button, and that particular listing has been added into your watch list. Okay, so that was the watch list feature. Now let's get to the categories feature here. The categories feature gives me a list of all the categories that are available on this website. And if I click on any of the category that are available to me, let's say if I click on cars, I can see that there is this single listing that is associated with the category of cars. And I can just click on this listing and it will redirect me to the listing page. So that was it for all the features of the website. Now let me demonstrate you what the admin user interface looks like. Let's log in with a super user account. So here is a list of all the objects or models that I have used for this particular website, and it includes the bids, the categories, comments, listings, users, and the watch lists. So for example, if I click on the listings object and let's choose any of this listing here, I can see that it consists of various kinds of properties for that particular listing, uh, like title, description, starting bid, image URL, number of bids, the timestamp, the user who has listed this product, winner user, and so on. So this was it for my project, and I think that I have satisfied all the requirements that were given for this project, and I hope that you like this video. Signing off, Mr. Deep Thought.